Hi all, let's talk about today's problem. Our problem name is Fibonacci series up to nth term, right? So let's understand the problem first. Our problem say you are given an array n, return the Fibonacci series till the nth term. Since the term can become very large, you have to take the modulo of it, right? So let's understand the example first. Here we have n equals to 5 and we have to return as output as 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5. So let's understand first what do you mean by Fibonacci, right? What do you mean by Fibonacci, right? It's just a series, right? It's just a series. And before finding whole Fibonacci series, let's understand how to find any nth number in Fibonacci and what is Fibonacci series. So Fibonacci series, here the prerequisite to find it, Fibonacci number at 0th position is always 0. First condition. Second condition is Fibonacci series at 1th position, always 1, right? Third, if you want to find any position in Fibonacci, so what's the formula is? Formula is go one step back plus go second step back. Take a two step back. So if we want to find nth number in the Fibonacci, you have to add previous two numbers. That's the nth number in Fibonacci, right? I hope you understand these 3 points. So let's find any point. Like for example, I want to find Fibonacci number at 5, right? How we can solve it? So just go with these three steps. You can easily solve this question. So Fibonacci of 5 is, let's suppose here 5. It means that Fibonacci of 4 plus Fibonacci of 3, right? Let's write it here. Fibonacci of 4 plus Fibonacci of 3. So what's the Fibonacci of 4? Fibonacci of 3 plus Fibonacci of 2. What's the Fibonacci of 3? Fibonacci of 2 plus Fibonacci of 1. What's the 2? Fibonacci of 1 plus Fibonacci of 0, right? So you have these two values, right? You have these two values, just use these. What is Fibonacci of 1? 1, just replace it. 0 is 0. 1 plus 0 is 1 and 1 plus 1 is 2, right? And 2 plus it's 1. Fibonacci of 2 is 1, right? So 2 plus 1 is 3. Let's replace with 3 and update. Fibonacci of 4 is 3, right? So what the Fibonacci of 3 is? Fibonacci of 3 is also 2. So just replace with 2. So it's 2. What's the Fibonacci of 5? Fibonacci of 5 is 5, right? So it means that we can simply solve our Fibonacci series with these three conditions. So what if I want to find up to fifth position, fifth term, what is my series is? Let's make an array. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 0 is always 0, 1 is 1. What is 2 here? 1, let's make it. What is 3? 2, let's write it. What is 4? 3. What is 5? 5. So we have to return this factor in our main task in the given question, right? Hope you understand how to solve this, right? So let's solve this question. So initially we have to make a vector of n is 5. So we are starting from 0. So here let's make Fibonacci as a name of it and n plus 1 is the size, right? And these are the two conditions. Fib of 0 is always 0, fib of 1 is 1, right? Let's write it down here. So let's traverse the loop here and fib of any value is equal to fib of I minus 1 plus fib of I minus 2, right? And here in this question, we say we have to use the modulo. Let's write the modulo here, 1e9 plus 7, right? So now when we are doing the plus of both, we have to use the modulo here. And simply we are storing all the values of Fibonacci in the fib vector, and at the last we just return that vector. So let's compile and run. Yeah, let's submit it now. As you see, all the cases are passed. So let's talk about its time complexity now. So its time complexity is, simply we are traversing the loop, right? So its time complexity is big of n, right? Big of n. And what's the auxiliary space we are using? So to store all the numbers, we are using a vector here. So its auxiliary space we are using is, again, it's big of n, right? It's big of n. Hope you understand this question. Thank you so much.